Hello there. So you wanna know how you can simply go ahead and set flexible dates search on Skyscanner. This is gonna be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want to and simply go ahead and search for skyscanner.net. Once you've done that, all you need to do is make sure that you're logged in into your account, and now simply go ahead and add where you're from and where you're headed to. And now on the depart section, as you can see, we are on specific dates where you can simply go ahead and choose a specific date right over here to travel. However, there is an option called flexible dates, which is gonna eventually show you the cheapest month to travel firstly and compare each and every single day in order to go ahead and get the best prices. So for example, as you can see, October is the cheapest month to head to Dubai, it looks like. Simply go ahead and click on apply and click on search, and now as you can see, it will let you compare every single day of the month as well, and simply go ahead and select the cheapest that you want to and click on find flights, and it's going to show up right over here. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.